miario ya munini wa mutongoria wa bururi William Ruto hindi icera riake bururi-ini wa Amerika muthenya wa ira ya kuuria bururi ucio gateithiririe Kenya gukinyaniria githurano kia umma na waragania no ithiite na mbere kuguciriria mawoni ngurani ya atongoria matiganite makiuga ici ni ndariri cia Ruto gukaregana na maumirira ma githurano.
What he said yesterday is curious, and I want to repeat it. It's curious. I think Ruto is trying to set stage to dispute the outcome of presidential election. Ruto told us not long ago that his votes cannot be stolen. Now, the question I want to ask is, what is Ruto telling us? Is he telling us that he has been participating in rigged elections previously? Is he admitting that?
Mieri-ini yake Ruto araugire ni makoretwo makiguoyohio iguru riikie githurano giukite noguo ni marabatara uteithio kuma mabururi ma nanja kung'ethanira na wici wa githurano undu uria muikariri gito wa kiama kia ODM John Mbadi atianiire akiuga giki no kigwatio.
Running for presidency is a marathon. It is not 100 meters. You cannot run a marathon like you are running one lap race. And that is what he has been doing. Right now, he is so fatigued, he is tired. We have overtaken him, and now he has resorted into unnecessary complaints. Let him come back to Kenya and face Kenyans and campaign and get the little votes and wait to be opposition leader.
Nakuo kaunti-ini ya Machakos, Governor Alfred Mutua augite mari mubango-ini wa gwikiranira ngirimiti ya kurutithania wira na ngwataniro ya Azimio la Umoja mbere ya githurano giukite thutha wa kigomano kia ajumbe ya kiama kia maendeleo chapchap kuhitukia murugamo uyu umuthi.
Maendeleo Chapchap Party resolved to only negotiate and enter into a coalition with Azimio parties. We are currently in negotiation within Azimio, and we'll announce this and sign when that is ready, but only within Azimio. So we've locked ourselves to Azimio parties.
Nakuo kaunti-ini ya Nakuru gikundi kia ahuraniria iturwa ngurani cia utongoria kaunti-ini iyo ni mokiriire atongoria kiama kia Jubilee ruhonge-ini rwa Nakuru makiuga mari na mubango wa kuhotomia kiama kiu mbere ya ithurano undu uria mategwitikira.
Na kumanagia no mothe ni tukwenda kuona wabici ino ina officials 19 aria magirwo gukorwo magitungatira kiama na ni tukwenda kuona wuigiririki ugikika thiini wa wabici ino ya Jubilee.
Nakuo kaunti-ini ya Embu bodi ya ithurano ya kiama kia UDA ni thingatite ahuraniri iturwa ngurani na kiama kiu kugia na uiguano gatagati kao niguo gwithemana na njitukano iria yumanaga na ithurano cia wamurani wa ciama na makiria kumahotithia kuguciriria namba nene ya Kenya kiama-ini giki ari meharĩria-inĩ ma githurano.
Kora ni kwa andu mangigucanira na makaraniria candidates riu makinetekania nundu wa itumi fulani we kuwe bendera ya kiama gitu gitirikina na nundu nyombe ino ni nene ya UDA na ni tukuthi kuthondeka thirikari acio ingi tukinamia tukamaiga kwa guku nyombari boro cio ikora we mwega muno.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV jitagwo Maura Wagunya.